Welcome to Mobi Scales demonstration. This is a demonstration for the Windows Phone and the similar iPhone version of Mobi Scales 2017. As you can see, when you start the app, it will show you the main screen here. It's got 5 main buttons and Facebook button, exit button at the top. At the moment, our app has been calibrated. When you first start the app, it will ask you to calibrate the app. To calibrate the app, simply press the orange calibrate button. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then place your calibration weight on the phone screen. We are using a 20p piece, a British 20p piece, which is known to be 5,000 milligrams or 5 grams to be precise. The phone will now calibrate using 5 grams or 5,000 milligrams. As you can see, the app now tells you the cal weight and the cal factor. These are used to calculate your new weight readings. You can now remove the calibration weight. Okay. Now the start button will be flashing. This means you can now proceed to weigh your objects. Press the start button. To begin your weights, press the tare button. Make sure the phone is still. The phone will now read the 0.00. You can change the units by pressing the units button here. This will toggle through the different units such as milligrams, ounces, pounds and grams. We have set the units to grams. When your phone is centered and tared, you can now place the weight. We will now re-weigh the 20p piece. The weight is now shown as 5.3 grams, which is just 0.3 of a grams out. Have a little play with your phone setup to increase the accuracy. We are currently balancing the phone, our Windows phone, on top of a Microsoft mouse, as you can see. This allows the phone to move up and down on the curved surface. Once you are happy with the calibration, you can then proceed to weigh other objects. We will now try to weigh a 5p piece, a UK 5p piece, which is known to be roughly 3.25 grams. We will place it in roughly the same position as a 20p piece. Wait a few seconds for the phone to calculate the weight based on your cal factor. Mobi Scales now shows the app. Mobi Scales now shows the weight of the 5p piece to be roughly 3.45 grams. So as you can see, we are only 0.2 grams out. On the main screen, you have other buttons available. You have the help, rate, calibration, and the help and the settings. Press the settings button. You can change the cal weight. If you have an object of known weight which is different, press the cal weight button and enter manually the weight. The weight has to be entered in milligrams, so our 20p, which was 5 grams, has been entered as 5,000 milligrams. You can change the default units from grams to milligrams, and there's also the percentage sensitivity. This enables you to change how sensitive the app is to weight changes. Currently it is set to 5%. This means that the app is very sensitive. A 5% change in weight will cause the reading to change on the screen. If you get a lot of toggle, you can decrease the sensitivity by increasing the value. So percentage sensitivity of 100 would mean your app would have to change in weight 5,000 milligrams in order to show a change in weight on screen. Decimal places is self-explanatory. We have set it to 2. Mobi Scales 2017 has a stabilization mechanism to minimize minute changes in weight. It will calculate the most accurate weight. The help screen gives you a link to the video, further help documentation, privacy policy, and a simple web-based API to allow you to convert weights. We will end the demonstration by reweighing the 20p piece. Let's balance our phone. Okay, the phone is balanced on the mouse. Press the start button. Press tare. Here is our 20p piece. We'll place it on the bottom of the screen again. The app shows the weight of the 20p piece to be 5.8 grams. So we can see we are only out by 0.18 grams, which is fairly accurate for a mobile app, digital scales. We hope you enjoyed watching the demonstration and will proceed to download or purchase the app on either the iPhone App Store or the Windows Phone App Store as well. Don't forget to visit our website mobiscales.com.